Good morning, friends. Welcome to Newton Gate Academy, where we make your dreams come true. So, today we'll be discussing a very important topic for our spoken English classes where we conduct, and this is introduce yourself or tell me about yourself. So, generally, when we ask any of the participant or who have joined our institute to tell about him or her, and we ask this question, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself, we see that the students who have done the graduation or the post graduation are not able to tell about themselves. Okay, so what happens if we ask them? The first thing we find, the eye contact uh, is missing. They are not making the eye contact. So when they are speaking, they are trying to find out, uh, because they are trying to translate from Bengali to English or Hindi to English, and they are trying to get the right word at the right time. And what happens in the meantime, they are not looking straight. And the first thing that need to be done, you have to maintain a eye contact to the person with whom you are speaking. Okay, so the thing where what we have found that if we ask them, they suddenly goes into Bengali or Hindi. I'm sir, আমি তো এটা prepare করিনি, or they will say मेरे को तो नहीं आता है, or they will say my name is Rahul Sen and I live in Calcutta, Bardhaman or something, and they will say, even I have heard they are saying that I live in the address they were telling 700 105. I'm staying in this address. So these are not actually required. So we need to be very structured way. Okay, and we also, when we are not prepared, we'll not able to introduce ourselves properly. But this is, you have to know, this is the first impression. And when you make an impression first time, that is, you can tell it is the first impression is the last impression. So whenever you are going for an interview to an interviewer board, you have to be prepared about yourself. You have to tell within that 4 to 5 minutes time that you, what all you have done in your career, what is your qualification, what is your achievements, what is your actually you have done in the project work. So all that need to be included. Okay, so most of the student, we have taught more than 100 plus students for the spoken English classes for the interview skills and confidence building. And after going through this particular program, and after structuring how to actually introduce themselves in front of the interview board, they have cracked the interview. We are very happy to announce most of the students have cracked the interview. More than 95% students have cracked the interview and got a good job in a position and a good position. Even we have taught to the managers, senior managers of the companies who have come here for client handling. They want to speak to the client, maybe European client or maybe the US clients. So we also teach them how to speak, how to improve your vocabulary, how to improve your grammar sense. So we need to know where to go, where to, we have to learn professional. Okay, because we are a graduate, we are a postgraduate, we are looking for a job, or we are looking for to address a team size. Okay, so here you are working as a role manager, or you are looking for a job. You need to also improve your spoken English skills, is your body language, your eye contact need to be perfect. Okay, if you do not do this and do not practice this out, you will not able to get or crack the job interview. Okay, we also teach you how to do the best in the group discussion so that you can able to crack the group discussion. We will teach you in techniques. Okay, so what are the techniques? We teach you through points, different points, so that it will help you to remember the points. And we will give you the techniques how to practice yourself. You can practice yourself and take it to the next level. Okay, you do not need a speaking partner. We always complain that I do not have anyone to speak, or I am not able to practice daily, but we'll give you the techniques. আমরা তোমাদেরকে যেভাবে টেকনিক দেবো, हम लोग जैसे टेक्निक देंगे, you will able to speak yourself. So if you are not able to understand properly what happens in different classes, you go there and you find that there are 40 people sitting together and taking a class. They are taking grammar classes, they are taking essay classes, but never they are telling how to crack the interview. What should be the points you should highlight in the interview? Just we are going through a quick review here. You can see that in an introduction, you need to tell about your name first, then your qualification, then your achievements. If you are a student, then you have to tell about your student aim in life, because many of the students need to go for the interview for going for a better school, even for the abroad studies. So you have to know what all you have to tell, which ऑडियंस यू आर टॉकिंग टू, कार साथे तुम्ही কথা বলছো, किसके साथ आप बात कर रहे हैं, तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए किस लेवल के लिए आप गए हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी आस्क यू व्हाट इज योर पर्पस ऑफ लर्निंग स्पोकन इंग्लिश. And if you learn from us, we can assure you, we can tell you that definitely you will achieve to that next level. We also build your confidence, we boost your confidence so much that you will able to crack. And never think that you are not good, never tell about your weakness. You always have to be positive, you have to be feel motivated, you have to go with a positive attitude. So that all is required. We will frame your job responsibility. If you are on a current job, we'll be framing your job responsibility. We will tell you what are the job roles that you are doing. We can guarantee you that if you go through this course and if you go through the instruction and practice, you can definitely go and give an interview and crack the interview. You will drive the interview. So there are two ways of driving interview. One is you will be driving the interview, the other way is the interview board is driving the interview. So whenever you are introducing yourself, you have to give that the staff to the interviewer board, that they will ask question from your the what all you have told about yourself. So you have to tell about your project work, what all you have done, what all you have done in your last assignment, what all you have done in your job assignment. So all these are required. Okay, so this is all what we will be going to teach you in techniques and in point wise, so that will help you a lot. তো আপনারা যখন যাবেন একটা ইন্টারভিউ দিতে, বা আপনারা যখন একটা কোথাও টিম মিটিং করতে যাচ্ছেন, বা আপনি একটা কোনো सेमिनार করতে যাচ্ছেন, आप और आप जब बात करने जा रहे हैं कोई क्लाइंट से, आप जब कोई सेमिनार करने जा रहे हैं, तो दैट टाइम यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड, यू हैव टू डू योर प्रैक्टिस, यू नीड टू डू योर होमवर्क. So everywhere we will be giving you the techniques. So the techniques is a must. So everywhere we'll be giving you the techniques and how to crack the job interview, how to do the best, when you are presenting your seminar or the presentation. So I think we are going to cover more and more. So please, if you have any question, please comment us, you can join us, and we will discuss more on this, and we'll discuss more on the different topics coming in the coming videos. How to think in English, that will be another important technique. How to improve your vocabulary. हम लोग बोलते हैं कि हमको right word right time में नहीं आता है. क्यों नहीं आता है? Why we think why we are not getting the right word at the right time? Because our vocabulary is poor. How to improve the vocabulary? हम लोग का already we have done the grammatical errors. We will be teaching you the grammars in such a way that it in the pictorial way that will help you to understand the grammar, to refresh, to get it. What you say, आप तो already पढ़े हैं. It is not something new. It is something that you have to brush up. You have to remember. So हम लोग ऐसे pictorial view में आपको समझाएंगे that you will be so easily you will be able to improve your grammar. And I will tell you, nobody is going to catch you if you are 95% grammatically correct when you are speaking in English. You have to be, but remember, you have to be 100% grammatically correct when you are speaking when you are writing a letter or an email. So that you have to mind. So we'll also tell you about the body language. We are coming up with new videos. How should be your body language when you are going for an interview, when you are going for a group discussion or a team meeting. So be like our videos, subscribe and share. and see you soon joining our institute for a better career and better prospect. Thank you all for listening, and please give your comments in the comment box. Thank you all.